issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Frederick County in north central Maryland, northern Montgomery County in central Maryland, northwestern Harford County in northern Maryland, Carroll County in north central Maryland, northwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from 11 miles northeast of Manchester to 5 miles northwest of Gammer to Ballinger Creek, and were moving east at 25 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Frederick, Green Valley, Mount Airy, Gammer, Damascus, Reisterstown, Parton, Eldersburg, Sykesville, Jarrettsville, Oakland. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. This line of storms has a history of producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Columbia in central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Sullivan County in north central Pennsylvania, north central York County in south central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Lycoming County in north central Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:04 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Forksville to Picturesque to Middleburg to Newville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Additional strong to potentially severe thunderstorms will be forming and moving northeast ahead of this line. Locations in the warning include Sullens Grove and Hummel's Wharf, Lairdsville and Muncie Valley, Riesler, Biggertown and Jerseytown, Trevorton and Harrisburg, Ferndale and Ricketts Glen State Park. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 242 and 257, Interstate 78 between mile markers 0 and 8, Interstate 80 between mile markers 213 and 247, Interstate 81 between mile markers 67 and 139, Interstate 83 between mile markers 33 and 50, Interstate 283. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation at several locations within this line of severe thunderstorm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room on the lowest floor. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877